So my body buddy looks more like gelato right now. But it's gonna be great though. So here's what you're gonna need to make this whipped body butter. Note, this body butter can be used on your hair as well, so go for it. We're gonna be using mango butter, shea butter, mango butter, oh I said that already, cocoa butter, some coconut oil, a few different essential oils. You're going to need a hand mixer and a container to put your mix in. Something to double boil with. You can also use a glass container or something like this. A pot, and of course, like a little spatula and a knife to cut into your stuff. This body butter gonna be great. So the side note here, mango butter does not smell like mangoes, so sorry. If you want your body butter to have a specific scent, the best thing to do is to grab the essential oils that you like and then add it to it. Cocoa butter has a very beautiful scent, so I love it just the way it is. So what you also notice is that I'm not measuring a thing here. Yeah, I'm just eyeballing it. You know that person in your family who cooks really well but never uses any recipes? Yeah, that's me. When it comes to my beauty stuff, my hair stuff, I don't use a recipe, so just play with it and don't be afraid to use more or use less. Then all you're going to need is a little bit of water. You don't need a lot. Add it to your pot. And make sure you put the stove on like low to medium, like between low and medium. You don't need to do no high heat. These butters don't take a lot to melt. So take your time with it. As you can see, it'll start to melt over time. And as you continue to stir it, you're golden. This will only take you like 5, maybe 6 minutes. I decided afterwards to add shea butter to the mix. Remember that each butter you're using has a lot of different benefits and properties. So all you gotta do is just Google, girl. Just Google and find out like what specifically do you want this butter to do. Do you have dry skin and you want something more moisturizing? Do you have sensitive skin and you want something that's good for sensitive skin? Do you want to brighten? Do you want to have youthful skin? Do you want to decrease fine lines? Like what do you want? And whatever you're looking for, you just look for the essential oils and the butters will help with that. So I'm adding 10 drops of peppermint oil to this just to add a little bit of extra benefits and scents. But there's so many different oils that you can use. Again, like I said, it just depends on what you're going for. So just Google your complaint and then you'll find oil to help with that. So this is what my mix looks like after being in the fridge for 10 minutes. Do not, I repeat, do not mix it with the mixer when it looks like this, or you'll have more on your walls than in your container. You want it to look like this. It shouldn't be moving around, slipping around. Trust me, I made the mistake earlier. I just didn't put it in this video. Make sure it's solid, almost like candle wax consistency when you take it out of the fridge. And you'll know it probably takes like 20, maybe 30 minutes, not even. And then just take your time and whip it up. Now, this is my first time whipping my butters. I usually just mix all the oils together and then just put in the fridge and call it a day. Like I'm so simple. But I wanted to try whipping it this time. Mind you, my apartment is hot. So this butter didn't stand no chance staying whipped, but we tried. If you get it to a consistency that is thicker than what I have here, you'll need to, it's best to like put it into like a little Ziploc bag and cut a corner and then put it into your container. But if you're like me and it came out more like ice cream, then you're good. This is what it looks like after about 30-40 minutes in the fridge. It's nice, it's creamy, it's beautiful. It felt so good. Guys, listen, one more thing. Go and check out this playlist right here to get some more DIYs and stuff like that. And I got some more videos coming, so if you have a request, make sure to drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.